It is not rare to see a scenario with, say, multiple children where one of the children is very close to mom and dad, or very involved in their personal care or managing their finances, while the other children love and dote on their parents, but are less involved in that day-to-day administration of the parent's life. It's not rare for us to see a will being administered where there is an uneven division of assets. The one who I've just described as being more involved in the parent's life gets an outsized share of the estate, to the chagrin of the other siblings. And then the question becomes, did the beneficiary who is receiving more use undue influence to get that? It's hard to prove from time to time undue influence, but certain things like the testator being beholden to that individual, as in they become so dependent on that one person that the person can force them to make changes to the will. I won't go get your prescription. I won't do your banking. I won't take you to see the other kids. I'm going to deprive you of access to the grandkids. All of those, not as a one-off or independently, but a collective can function to create undue influence. You also see this not infrequently when the testator has had a second romantic relationship in their life following a family where they've had kids. And the new spouse exerts pressure on the now deceased to have the will changed, to deprive the children of the benefit of the will, where a prior will did have them having that benefit. Again, I hope you can hear both sides of that story, where the new spouse can, for appropriate reasons, love and affection, be given the entire estate. However, it can also be the more nefarious, that new spouse takes over the power deck, again, deals with the prescriptions, deals with the banking, can isolate the elderly person to the point where they lose their ability to make their own decisions. They are so beholden and so worried and stressed about the consequences of not giving this individual what they want, that they end up giving them everything or changing their will to satisfy the person. And that is very fact specific, but is what undue influence is in practice.